Welcome to Madam English YouTube channel. In this video you will watch 3 conversations about asking for and giving information about social issues. Before that, please like, comment, and subscribe Madam English YouTube channel. Thank you.
Conversation 1. Environmental issue.
Hey, I noticed you're wearing a shirt with a sustainability message. Are you passionate about environmental sustainability?
Yes, I am. I believe it's important to protect our planet for future generations.
That's great. I'm passionate about addressing income inequality. It's a significant issue that affects many people.
I agree. Did you know that environmental sustainability and income inequality are interconnected?
No, I didn't. How are they connected?
Well, low-income communities are often the most affected by environmental degradation and climate change. For example, they may live in areas with poor air quality or lack access to clean water.
That's terrible. What can we do to address these issues?
We can start by recognizing the interconnectedness of social issues and the importance of dialogue. By working together, we can create solutions that benefit everyone.
That makes sense. I'm glad we can have this conversation and learn from each other.
Me too. It's important to recognize that we all have a role to play in creating a more just and sustainable world.
Conversation 2. Social issue at school.
Hey, do you ever think about the social issues in our school?
Yeah, I do. There are a lot of things that need to be addressed.
Like what?
Well, bullying is a big problem in schools. It can lead to low self-esteem and even depression.
That's true. Did you know that over 20% of students report being bullied in school?
Yes, and it's not just physical bullying. Cyberbullying is also a growing concern.
Wow, that's really alarming. What else do you think needs to be addressed?
Inclusivity is also important. Students should feel welcome and accepted, regardless of their race, gender, or sexual orientation.
Definitely. Did you know that students who feel excluded are more likely to have mental health issues?
Yes, and promoting inclusivity can also improve academic performance and overall well-being.
I had no idea. It's really important that we work towards creating a more inclusive and accepting school environment.
Absolutely. We can start by educating ourselves and others, and being mindful of our actions and words. Conversation 3. Reuse, reduce, and recycle.
Hi, I'm Max. What brings you to the Green Living Workshop?
Hey, I'm Emma. I'm interested in learning how to reduce waste and live more sustainably.
That's great! Did you know that the average American produces over 4 pounds of waste per day?
Wow, that's a lot. What can we do to reduce our waste?
There are many things we can do, such as recycling, composting, and using reusable bags and containers.
Those are great ideas. What impact can our individual actions have on the environment?
Our individual actions can make a significant impact. For example, if everyone in the US recycled just one more plastic bottle, it would save enough energy to power 18,000 homes for a year.
That's amazing. What about other ways to reduce waste?
We can also reduce our waste by buying products with less packaging, repairing instead of replacing items, and donating or selling items we no longer need.
Those are all great strategies. I'll definitely try to implement them in my daily life.
That's fantastic. Every little bit helps in protecting our planet and creating a more sustainable future.